Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the business study class. Our chapter going on is chapter 8, that is controlling. So in the previous class I taught you about the meaning of controlling. I gave you introduction about meaning of controlling, and at the same time we discussed about the case study of the Sterling Couriers Limited. Clear? It's a very good or fantastic story. In your new edition, it might be possible that you are having some other case study, so don't worry for that. What we have to do is to make our concept clear of, that is controlling. Clear? So the example of Sterling Courier brings out clearly how an adverse business situation may intelligently be controlled by a manager. Clear? What we learned from the case study of Sterling Courier is the damage control. Clear? How you are going to manage the damage control, whether it is related to your business, we are studying for business, and in reference to an individual, how you maintain your creditability. So in business you have to manage the damage control, and individually you have to maintain your creditability, your accountability of the words which you are committing. Clear? So that is very necessary, because in nowadays time, pandemic time, every leader of the world, their reliability has shown a negative trend. Only our honorable Prime Minister has popularity has shown the positive trend. So these all things belong to the damage control. Clear? In damage control, what we learn, how you are going to manage and save your business. So in Sterling Couriers, what was happening? The parcels were getting lost, and there was no fault of the company, because in order to have a transport facility, you have to rely on your logistic partners. Clear? And what was the logistic partner? Here the logistic partner of cargo, Sterling Courier was the airplanes and courier. Okay. Now the package getting lost in the airplane, so courier person is not able to deliver the parcel. Though afterwards the parcels were going to be discovered, so in this way the insurance company as well as aeroplane company refuses to pay the claims. But what happens? The customer's business is lost. So in order to make a damage control, the MD of the managing director of the Sterling Courier got an idea to not to charge the courier charge, but it was a very cheap idea and it was like a consolation price. So instead of not charging courier charges from the customer, the MD of the Sterling Courier, Mr. Glenn Smoke, decided to pay something extra. So in damage control, what also comes is the monetary compensation. What comes is the monetary compensation, also comes under this thing. Monetary compensation also comes under this thing. So by making a payment of USD 30,000, he saved a 5 million company. Just making a meager amount of compensation of $30,000, he saved a $5 million insurance company. It's just a very patchy amount in comparison to the size and capital of the company, but by making the payment, what he has done a very good damage control and saved his reputation that in any condition company is always standing with your customers. So if you keep your customers happy, they will keep you in business. Clear? So this is called the damage control. I am again giving a short review of the meaning of controlling. So controlling is one of the most important function of checking yourself whether your company is growing or you are deviating from your planned objective. A manager needs to exercise effective control over the activities of the subordinate. In other words, controlling means ensuring that activities in an organization are performed as per the plans. Whatever you have decided under your plan should go exactly as you have planned. But it is possible that it will always go exactly as you have planned. Do anybody has planned for this year that half of the year will go in lockdown or in pandemic? No, nobody has predicted. Even the starting of this pandemic, nobody is thinking that this may happen that 6 months will go under the lockdown. So controlling also, so in other words, controlling means ensuring that activities in an organization are performed as per the plan. Controlling also ensure that an organization resources are being used effectively and efficiently. What you have planned should go exactly, and at the same time your planning should be effective and efficient. Clear? Effective means you should meet the deadline. Everything will be done on deadline. Everything shall be done on deadline, and efficient means it has to be done in cheapest way. See, even this pandemic time, Parle-G has done the tremendous work. They have broken the sale record of the last 82 years. So this means they are very much effective, and at the same time they are efficient, because the word cheapest biscuit belongs to the Parle-G. So even in the pandemic time, they realize the situation, make arrangement for the staying of the employee in their factory only, not the whole employee, some lesser number of the employees, and meet all the deadlines, supplied all the material. Clear? Controlling is thus a goal-oriented function. Which type of function controlling? It's a goal-oriented function. Means you are able to achieve your goals. It's a goal-oriented function of the organization. It is a pervasive function. It is primary function of every manager. Managers at all level of management, top, middle and lower, to perform the controlling function, to keep a controlling over activities in this area. Moreover, controlling is as much required in an educational institute, military, hospital and a club as in any business organization. Clear? So, don't think that controlling is only required in business. It is required even in where controlling is required. It's a requirement of controlling means it is too much required in educational institutes. Clear? Every type of the educational institute require controlling, whether it is primary level, middle level, senior secondary, technical, non even ITIs, technical institutes. Clear? Skill mapping is going on, and everything require controlling. Moreover, controlling is as much required in educational institution. Clear? It is also required in military, armed forces. Clear? In armed forces, you will see nowadays a new type of military activity, that is common exercise. 3 to 4 countries are doing the common exercise. Nowadays, you will see in Bay of Bengal, our country, Australia, and Japan and France all are doing a collective military exercise, naval exercise. Clear? And a hospital and a club as any business organization. So, controlling is required everywhere. Controlling should not be misunderstood as the last function of management. Clear? It should not be understood as a last function. Why? Because we generally said that planning is looking ahead, while controlling is looking back. It is a function that brings the management cycle back to the planning function. The controlling function finds out how our actual performance deviates from a standard. Clear? In planning, you have planned the things. You have planned the things, activities, map, cycle, and in controlling, what we see is the deviation. How much we are deviated. Now, because of the pandemic, you have suffered, you have deviated from your business plan. You have to do the strict controlling process. You have to analyze the causes of such deviation and attempt to take corrective action based on the same. This process helps in the formulation of future plans in the light of problems that were identified, and thus helps in the better planning in the future period. Thus, controlling only completes one cycle of management process and improve the planning in the next cycle. Clear? So I hope meaning will be clear. Now we are going to study the importance of planning. Importance of controlling. So the first point is accomplishing organizational goals. The controlling function measures the progress toward the organizational goal and brings to the light the deviation. Accomplishing organizational goals means whatever planning you have done for your organization, whatever target you have decided or settled for your organization, whether you are able to achieve it or not, and how much deviation has been taken place during the course of the planning and executing the plan. So if any indicative characteristics thus guided the organization and keep it on the right track so that organizational goals might be achieved. For example, if you will see that now in this year we are having more sale of the two-wheeler and four-wheelers. Though businesses stopped due to the lockdown or because of this pandemic, but in this month October we have received a tremendous amount of sale in comparison to the previous year in the two-wheeler sector as well as four-wheeler sector. And at the same time, the association has requested the government to cut the GST rate. To cut the GST rates after December, because after December they are seeing that there might be a slum sale. So in order to avoid the slum sale, in order to save the employee from expelling from the organization, it is necessary to have the GST cut rate. So the association of two-wheeler and four-wheeler has requested the government to cut the GST rate after December. Okay? So now if the government approves your decision, accept your requisition, or are you ready to supply the required number of the vehicles, you should be ready for that. Okay? So accomplishing organizational goals. Second, judging accuracy of standard. Judging accuracy of standard. A good control system enables the management to verify whether the standards set are accurate and objective. An efficient control system keeps a careful check on the changes taking place in the organization, and in the environment helps to review and revise the standard in light of such changes. Okay? Whatever standard you have decided, whether they are being fit into the current environment scenario or not, this also you have to be decided. So you have to continuously keep on checking the accuracy of standard. Okay? Third, making efficient use of resources. Making efficient use of resources. This is also that necessary. By exercising a control, a manager seeks to reduce the wastage and spoilage of resources. I will quote you a very good example. In one of our historical area, one person has opened a resort, and created a huge swimming pool. But just after its inauguration of the 1 month, there has been a lockdown. So he has that tremendous potential. It means he is situated, his resort is situated nearby to the river, and at the same time they have created a huge swimming pool for the entertainment of their person residing in their hotel. But at that time, after lockdown, what will happen? The whole resource is going to the waste. So what they have done? They have gone for the fish farming. They have gone for the fish farming. So what does it imply? It implies the efficient use of the resources. At the time of the pandemic, it was not possible to attract a customer or a visitor or a tourist in your hotel, neither Indian nor international or belonging to any other country. So how to make efficient use of the resources? You have to continuously plan that time. That is why it has been always said that planning is looking back and controlling planning is looking ahead and controlling is looking back. You have opened a very good resort, but because of the pandemic, everything has come to a halt or a situation of shutdown. So how to make efficient use of the resources? He immediately shifted to the fish farming. Though he is not able to earn much profit, but what happened? His employees stayed with him. He is able to make the payment of all of his expenses, and at the same time, he is able to make the payment to his employees also. No employee has run away. So you have to make a very good use of the available resources. Making efficient use of the resources. Improving employee motivation. Improving employee motivation. Again, this is very necessary. A good control system ensure that employee know well in advance what they are expected to do and what are the standards of performance on the basis of which they will be appraised. It does motivate them and help them to give better performance. A motivation is always necessary. Okay? See, in the previous thing I gave you the example of fish farming done by a hotel owner. Is there any relevance of fish farming in a hotel? No, there is no relevance. But why that person opted? Just to maintain, survive the organization, improves employee motivation, clear, and they shall not run away and everybody will be paid. Because this is the biggest motivation to take the payment during the pandemic time. So, it's very necessary that you maintain the motivation of your employee. Clear? Next, ensuring order and discipline. Ensuring order and discipline. Again, this is very necessary. Controlling creates an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization. It helps to minimize the dishonest behavior on the part of the employees by keeping a close check on their activities. Clear? One case study has been given, we will discuss it. Facilitating coordination in the action. Controlling provide the direction to all activities and efforts for achieving organizational goal. So, ensuring order and discipline. How you are ensuring order and discipline in your organization? By having a proper control on the activities. The moment your employees see that organization is going in right direction, the employees of Parle-G see that an organization is going in right direction even during the pandemic, there is always an order and discipline in the organization. Next, facilitating coordination in action. Facilitating coordination in action. How this thing is possible? Controlling provide the direction to all activities and efforts for achieving organizational goal. Each department and employee is governed by the predetermined standard which are well coordinated with one another. This ensures that overall organizational objectives are accomplished. Clear? So again, I am repeating, giving you a short revision. Importance of accomplishing organizational goals. Whatever you have planned should be well executed. If any deviation is taking place, you have to continuously check over it. Judging accuracy of standard. Accuracy of whatever thing you are planning and standard set value for that planning should be matching or not. Is there any deviation? You have to continuously monitor your standard. If deviation is taking place, you have to change your standard also. Making efficient use of the resources, this is very necessary. If you don't know the way to use your resources, any amount of the resources will be useless for you. So you shall be very well knowing the efficient use of resources. Okay? At the same time, you have to maintain the motivation of your employees, improving employee motivation. This is also very necessary. Ensuring order and discipline even at the time of pandemic chaos situation, if you are able to maintain order and discipline in your organization, then you are the biggest businessman of this world. Okay? And facilitating coordination in action. Again, it is necessary. We have already studied coordination in the chapter 1, and that is also called the essence of management. Essence of management. Why it is called the essence or nectar of management? because if you are having everything, but if your employees are not coordinated, your whole efforts will go in vain. You can have an example of Vijay Mallya. Clear? He was not having any coordination in his activities. So reason, even after having such a famous airlines and brewery industries, he is still living a life of an absconder. Why is absconding? Because of his extravagant, unnecessary expenditure. So coordination we already studied in chapter 1. It is called the essence of management. Any amount of the resources, if your employees or your team is not coordinated, it will not be possible for you to achieve the desired goal. So I hope that meaning and importance of controlling will be helpful for you. In the next class, we will study some other topic, that is limitation. Thank you. Happy learning.